TWR Alert Update. I'm going to start the video off today with penny stocks, man. We have the best penny stock alerts anywhere, man. And if penny stocks is your game, then TWR needs to be your home. Check out what we got, man. It's not just all about the alerts, man. We push out the information, plus we give you the alerts too, man. Sometimes the information is just as good as the alerts, and sometimes the information is just to get your mind in the game and get ready for a setup. But I'm telling you, man, ain't no one putting it out like TWR is, man. GOVX is definitely on the watch list. GLMD definitely on the watch list. And our swing trade BNOX, man, we're already up on that trade. We're looking to cash in this week on some continued volume. So we'll be looking to probably sell out going into tomorrow. Hopefully get a little bit more of a push, maybe into a Wednesday, and come out of this with a nice profit, because I was already up 46% on the day. Going into our bread and butter, the options game, man, none other than Mr. Dependable TLM putting his Home Depot stamp on the market again, man. He hadn't been playing Home Depot for a minute. He's been focusing mainly on the Qs and the SPY, but he went ahead and went short Home Depot for a big trade. 270 entry, came out at 320. That's good for $50, man, and that's a winner any day of the week. Now, not a lot of people play the Forex market, man, but I tell you, we have something truly for everyone on Traders War Room. Look at this trade, okay? Went into USD CAD, right, last week. Came in at an entry, decent entry, 136, right? We're looking for just a basic push up a little bit, man, but this thing absolutely took off. And with the Forex market, if you have a little bit of patience, you can make some decent money just like this. And boom, just like that, man. The Forex market is one of those giants that never sleeps, guys. This is a market that doesn't get a lot of love, but it absolutely pays the bills, man. Just think, everyone thinks the U.S. equity market is huge, but it's not even on the same spectrum as the global currency market, man. Forex market is huge, and you can play it pretty much all day, every day. And we have the best Forex traders anywhere right here on TWR platform. And talking about the best, you know I got to highlight our algos again. Another thing, TWR proprietary algos that are not found on any other platform but the TWR platforms, man. And we have the best. We utilize machine learning, artificial intelligence, and tell me another algo that pushes out signals like this. It gives you the ticker. It gives you the strike price. It gives you a percentage of a win rate that it's had year to date with particular trades closed. Our algos are basically the terminators, and they're out there to absolutely destroy the market. And with TWR and the algos that we have, you can go out there and you can make some fire trades and some killer profits. And our scalping algo was absolutely on fire. I got to highlight this real quick because this thing was killing it today. Look at these trades. NDX long, SPX short. Look at that. The NDX long, 24% profit. The NDX short, it got into the trade. As soon as it went long, it switched. As soon as it made its profit, it switched right to the short side of the house. And talking about algos, man, I got to highlight our scalping algo. Look at this. Long NDX, boom, exit 18%, man. No one does it better than TWR. And this thing just kept pumping out the trades today. Another long NDX, a short SPX, long NDX, exit 24% profit. Went ahead and switched it to the short NDX trade. Boom, NDX 28% profit, SPX 29% profit, and it keeps going and going. Guys, this thing trails the market and goes both long and short on both the NDX and the SPX. And if you notice, it gives you, when it's called out, it gives you suggested option contracts as well as the strike price. So you could go into shares as well. And not only that, if you don't like to trade the actual, ETFs, any of the high liquid, high volume tickers that are moving and shaking and causing the particular ETF to move, those are still valid for trades as well. This thing is amazing, man. Again, machine learning, artificial intelligence, TWR proprietary algos are the best. TWR trending trades had some decent swing trades. SHOP, swing over the weekend, 63 to 80, went ahead and called it out at 76 and left a couple runners with the stop loss of 65. Microsoft swing, look at that, man, 77, 89, 135, 115, just eating it, walking that dog, man. Put the stop loss at $1 and everything is risk-free, baby. Took a nice little day trade on the Q as well. Got in at 50, went ahead and cut it at 60, put the stop loss at break even for the risk-free trade, which of course triggered almost immediately after we set the stop loss because it was extremely volatile. And I wanted to highlight our first Halloween challenge trade that we got into. We went ahead and got into Google 137 call, 6 October. We got in at 36, and this thing actually did pretty good closing out the market. So if we hold, we'll be looking for a pretty decent payout coming into tomorrow, looking to go ahead and cash out during bell volatility, seeing if we can get the push. And for those of you that are in the regular $500 to $5,000 challenge that TWR has going on, guys, we absolutely went into that 430 call swing on SPY. We entered this at 32, and at the bell, it looked like this. Not bad for the push, so hoping that this also holds moving into tomorrow because this will be a decent little payout, and we'll look for another trade pushing with the QQQ, maybe a Tesla, maybe Amazon, or whatever's moving and shaking. That's how we like to roll with the $500 to $5,000 challenge. And for those of you that are interested in the text message alerts, I want to show you kind of what we got with the text message alerts. Basically, this is a swing trade that we went ahead and got in on Friday. We went ahead and took the SE swing and we took the MU swing, pushing over the weekend, seeing what we had going. And here's some of the trades that we had today on the text message platform. Basically, we went ahead and cashed out on MU. That was almost a 2x. We went ahead and got into some new trades with the FSR, going in some positions long and also get into a leap. And of course, every platform is getting that holiday special. So of course, you got the holiday special on the text message alerts as well. $100 to $1,000 per day is possible as a TWR market warrior. So quit wasting money that's not making bank and join TWR today. The link is in the description. Stocks I like. So here's basically how I do my charts, okay? You'll see 3 colors and lines on here. Blue line, purple line, red line. Purple is our battle zone. That's basically the area where the fight is happening, kind of like where the price action is at currently. Blue zone is if we get the bullish push. That's kind of the target zone we're looking for continuation to the bull side. The red line is the bearish zone. That's our low target area. If we get downtrending pressure, we're looking for the push down to that area. Inside of those zones, we use intralines, and if those are there, they'll be outlined by orange lines. Paying attention to the cues as we're looking to push out of the battle zone and go retest some of those higher levels. We just cleared all of the short moving averages, so as long as we can hold the market and everything looks good, we'll probably be most likely pushed to the upside and go retest those levels to see if we can hold resistance. Looking at the IWM for a bounce from some heavy rejection, like in the area down here for a little bit of consolidation and a little bit of a bounce play. XBI looks pretty weak. Look like we probably got another leg to the downside. However, I wouldn't be surprised if we get some consolidation from such a strong downtrend, but watch out for the falling knife because this thing has no bottom in sight and this thing can roll at any time. Gold took a huge dump here recently, so we're looking for probably a little bit of a rejection play down here at the bottom and probably a little bit of a bounce to go cover that gap that we had early on the day. Tesla looking pretty strong currently, had some negative news, but recovered very well, looking like it wants to go ahead and pop from this current level and go retest those 260s. Amazon, we're liking where we're at currently right here. Had a huge dump with a gap down, looking like we got potentially a gap up play to go clear that and go test that higher level of resistance. With that said, a free trade alert. We're going to go ahead and get into our first October YouTube trade, and this will be our number one. We're going to look at an Amazon call, 135, pushing out to 13 October. I like the volume, I like the delta, I like the theta. Everything is good to go as long as we get that push above the battle zone and we get that bullish continuation. This should make us some decent money, and it has time to make some tactical decisions. In September, TWR was 8 for 8 with the YouTube trades. I want another month of 100% trades, making that money that only TWR can bring you. And if you want the play-by-play with all of the TWR fire, you know what you got to do. Go ahead and join the team and come get some with the TWR Bulls. The link is in the description, and you can join any platform, and I got you covered. Upcoming products and services. TWR Room is proud to present our hottest new feature, text message alerts, available now on the TWR storefront. If you enjoy trading and investing, you're probably familiar with some of these popular applications. These are all fantastic, but they can become overwhelming and difficult to navigate throughout the day. Add in the stresses of work, life, school, family, and you become frustrated and overwhelmed, missing opportunities. Guys, that's so me.
Yeah, that's me.
This stops right now. Welcome to TWR's text message alerts. It's super simple too. So we watch the market, and when we see a setup we like, we push an alert like this. You as a subscriber receive this. And don't worry, we give you an exit too, just like this. So for more information, check out our storefront, links in the description. And remember, when you hear this, Traders War Room is making you this.
In the Traders War Room, warring with the market every day, we on Zoom. Never gonna quit, ain't no way we gonna lose. I done made a profit and it's way before noon. Way to go, dude, come and learn how to trade stocks. We rentless with the attack when this thing pop. We market warriors and we can share the same pot. I woke up and went to war in my tank top. Thanks, Pops, he an analyst, a veteran. And we ain't hating on them other dudes, we better than. I was down and then I learned about leveraging. And after that, I ain't never went red again. Green, right? It ain't bad, it just seemed like something wrong with you if you say we ain't tight. Get in and get out before you think twice. Let's have a toast, you bring the drinks and I'll bring ice. Defeat's nice in the Traders War Room. What you wanna do in the Traders War Room? What you wanna do? This the Traders